Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here today. It's almost lunchtime for me, so I want to make some delicious homemade mac and cheese. I am so excited because I know a great recipe that's super fun and simple. Let's get going. First, we need to boil some water for the pasta. There. Now, we add some olive oil to the pot as it warms up. Delicious! While we're at it, I'll shake in some salt too. We now need to chop up some onion. Yummy! Now we put the macaroni into the pot. While that's cooking, we will start making the cheese to put on top of the macaroni. To start, we can add some milk with 1 egg. Uh-oh, I need your help to count out 1 egg. How many eggs are there? 3? Oh no, that's definitely more than 1 egg. How many eggs should I take away to make it just 1 egg? 2? Alright, I'm trusting you. Yes, I think you're right. That looks like only 1 egg is left to me. Now we can crack the egg into the milk. Finally, we add the flour. Now we mix it. Now we can add shredded cheese. Delicious. That looks good. Needs a lot more cheese. Mixing. Done. We can finally use our chopped onions. We just pour them into a cheesy dough, and our cheese is now complete. Help me stir. Stir, 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 stir. Alright, I think this looks amazing. It's time to put it in the oven. Yum yum. While we wait, let's exercise. Exercise is good for you, and it's fun. You can do it too. All you need to do is follow along with me. First, we jump. Come on, jump with me. Jump, 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 jump. Phew. Good job, you're really athletic. Next, let's try to balance on 1 leg. What you need to do is lift up 1 leg while the other stays on the ground. Lift. Whoa, that one's really tricky. That's enough exercise for now. Let's check if our meal is done yet. Nope, it still looks like we have to wait. I know, we can clean up while we wait. All you need to do is to help me find which pile each thing goes in. Let's start. I have 2 eggs from earlier when you helped me count them. Which pile has eggs in it? The last one? Yes, that looks right. Good work. Now where would some cheese go? In the first pile? Okay. Yes, you're correct. This is the last one. Where would this pan go? In the middle? Good job, you did it. Oh, our meal is ready. Let's take it out of the oven and see how it looks. Wow, it's perfect. Let's eat. Subscribe.
Psst. Hey, guys, stay. Wait. The video isn't over yet. I'm Grogger. I'm a frog. I really don't like Terry. I don't like cooking. I don't like baking. Yuck, yuck, yuck. All I like is candy, candy, candy. Candy, candy, candy. Candy, candy, candy. I'm going to get Terry. I'm going to mess up all his food. You'll see me in some other episodes. So watch out, because I'm going to get you, Terry. and you won't be cooking anymore.